Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Lupita Malikul Haq and you can call me Lupita, and the last ID number 08. And today I'm going to present my critical review entitled The Use of Comic Strips and Manual Media in Teaching English. This presentation is part of my main exam for the cross medium of language teaching. The next slide is introduction. So, comic strips are basically short stories to draw, picture, and dialogues. They are manual or non-digital media that can help students learn English in more fun and visual way. By using comic strips, students can understanding the meaning of words and grammar to the context of picture. It also makes the classroom atmosphere more interesting and enjoyable. The next slide is summary. The first article I review by is Widarti 2021. The study showed that using comic strip can improve student reading performance and vocabulary mastery. It also interest student motivation and engagement in learning English. So basically, comic strip help learners experience their AD more creatively. The second and third article also support this idea. One study on creative learning media showed that visual ads like posted the flashcard can make learning easy. And the study by Ristika Al-Ets 2020 explained that many teachers in the Indonesian school use manual media because of limited digital tools. So, manual media like comic strips are still very practical and useful. The next slide is analysis of argument. From those studies, we can say that manual media, especially comic strips, can really improve language learning. They combine text and visual, which helps students understand and remember better. This is related to the dual coding theory, where picture and words together make learning more effective. Comic strips are also low-cost the creative tools that make studies more active. Manual media allow teachers to personalize material based on classroom needs. So, even without technology, teachers can still create a meaningful and interactive learning experience. The next slide is evaluation. Overall, all three students agree that comic strips are effective, flexible, and adaptive. They improve student language skill, motivation, and creativity. Comic strips also work well in different environments. Experience with digital access is limited. The next slide is personalized judgment. In my opinion, comic strips are very effective media because they combine picture and text. They help students understand context actually and make lesson more enjoyable. Students can also make their own comic versions, which is fun and creative. I think that media is great for schools with limited digital facilities. The next is reference. Here are the references of my article. They all discuss the effective of comic strip and manual media in English learning. To conclude, my comic strips make English learning more colorful, creative, and meaningful. They not only teach language but also imagination and storytelling. Thank you so much for your attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.